On today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to make hamburger. So we're making beef burger today, and first of all, you need your blended beef. Okay, so once you get your beef, the next thing you're going to be going in is your chopped onions. You can add any kind of spicy you want for your burger. I'm also going to go in with some paprika pepper. I'm also going to be adding all the spicy that I want to use in here. Okay, so I'm going to add some garlic powder and also add some curry, and also go in with some pepper. Okay, and also add my seasoning cube at the same time. Now I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs, a very crunchy breadcrumbs, and the next one is to add your egg and mix everything all together. Make sure you mix properly well before we proceed. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm done mixing. I'm gonna apply some vegetable oil in my hand and start molding. The next thing we're gonna get is our burger bread. So I'm gonna open up this my burger bread. Now we're gonna get some pan, and also we're gonna add some butter, and we're obviously gonna heat up our burger bread. Now you can see that our burger bread is now a bit crispy, so we're gonna take this out. Once I'm done taking it out, I'm gonna add another butter and go in with my beef. So we're gonna allow our beef to cook properly well. So now I'm gonna go in with, we obviously have to leave this to cook with our burger beef so that it can melt a little bit. Now we're done, we're gonna go in with some burger, because we obviously want our burger to be a very creamy part. This part is where I enjoy creating my burger recipe because it was so nice. So now I'm gonna get in my burger bread and start applying my parma to the burger bread. So you can add enough cream depending on what you want. So we're gonna go in some onion, and also we're gonna go in some fresh tomatoes, whatever you want to add to your burger. And also I'm gonna add in some lettuce, and also I'm gonna go in with some of my burger beef. Once I'm done adding my burger beef, I'm gonna add some cucumber and also add a little bit of burger extra because we're making the beef burger double. So now I'm gonna add in my burger bread, and here is my yummy burger ready. This burger tastes so nice, it was so delicious. Tell me if you're gonna be trying it, and if you have watched to this extent, please do well to subscribe. Bye, see you guys on my